our participants demonstrate their moves with sarees. They will be showcasing a variety of techniques and formations. What a melodious music! It is transporting us to a new world. The moves are confusing only for us, not for them. Look how they do it perfectly. Appreciate their hard work and dedication and seamless performance. Now they are displaying a peacock formation. Excellent execution. Wonderful, dear girls. Look, they are up to something. Let's wait and watch. Wow, they have woven a wonderful blanket out of the sari. Give them a big round of applause. We have reached to the end of our sarees performance, and what a spectacular display it has been. Before we conclude, I would like to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude to our teachers, Miss Reni, Miss Anita K, and Miss Ansa Babu, who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event a success. We are impressed with the creativity and skill displayed by our participants. Don't they deserve an applause? That was a stunning performance. Thank you, girls.